Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a tutorial for you guys and it's on this eye look. It's so pretty. I love how it came out. And yes, I'm wearing a wig because I felt like a Skittles bag with all these colors on my face. Anyways, if you want to know how I did this look, keep on watching. Okay guys, as you can see, I already did my eyebrows and I carved them out, so I'm just gonna go right into the eyeshadow tutorial. First, I'm taking my e.l.f. Hydrating Camel Concealer in Satin Finish. And basically, I'm gonna use this to cover all the veins, you know, have a good base. And I'm just tapping it on with my Real Techniques beauty sponge. Then I'm taking my trusty Milani powder and I'm just gonna set it. Now I'm taking this Coastal Sands concealer brush. Now I'm taking the powder and putting it where I cut my crease, just to make sure I didn't miss any part. And there's our base. Okay, so for the next part, this is really up to you and how talented you are, because your girl does not have a straight hand. Because like I said, we don't do straight on this channel. So today I'm going to be using this Pro Fusion Cosmetics Bright Lights UV Neon Liner. This is in the color Bolt. If you're talented, go ahead and just go in with the eyeliner and do your wing. Simple. You're almost done. Me, however, I am not very talented, so I'm gonna use concealer like if I was cutting the crease. Going back to the same concealer, and I'm gonna take this concealer brush from Alamar Cosmetics, and I always put some in the back of my hand. Obviously, I don't have eyeshadow to guide me, so I'm just kind of gonna go by memory, basically. As you guys know, I haven't done cut creases till I started my YouTube channel, so I've done 2 cut creases in my life. Here's my 3rd attempt. This might be a mess, this might turn out bomb. We shall see. The good thing about this is there's no eyeshadow to fuck up. Again, if you're talented, you could probably do a cut crease like nothing. And if you're like me, take your time. It's okay. It's okay to take your time. Don't think because these talented girls can do it so easy that everybody does. And remember, practice makes perfect. Who knows, by my 20th cut crease, I might be a pro and you're gonna see me here like, oh, hi guys. Now, if you have a hooded eye like me, look, it disappeared completely. So what you wanna do is bring it up a lot higher than most girls. And trust me, it'll look fine, because when you close your eyes, y'all know what happens if you have hooded eyes. So don't be discouraged. You can do a cut crease even if you have hooded eyes. Your girl is proof. I am right here. I am with you. You are not alone. So you see how it's still a little low? You want to go higher. Or you don't have to, I mean, it's really up to you. Almost done. I'm just gonna take it a little higher. Well, we're busy here. What do you guys think of this angle? I know my last videos were not the best for makeup angles, but I think I've got it down. Let me know. I know I keep going a little bit out of frame. I'm learning, guys. I'm learning. Be patient. Now I'm gonna take my beauty sponge and blend it. I want to make sure it's completely smooth before I go in with the eyeliner. Well, as smooth as you can make it. Now I'm gonna go into this US Colors palette. Guys, this was $3 at a discount store where I'm from. It was basically like a Ross or a Marshall's. And oh my god, it's so pretty. The only thing is, this color right here, it already cracked, so I had to like press it down. But I mean, it was $3. Doesn't it look like those Anastasia palettes? I think they're Anastasia. Oh my god, I'm sorry if I just got that wrong, but it's so pretty. So I'm gonna be taking this super shimmery green color. So pretty. So pretty. I'm gonna pack it on with this Coastal Scents brush, and it's just a small flat brush. So first I'm gonna take my finger actually and just pat it on to get the most pigment as I can. Ooh, she's pretty. And it's okay if I got it right here because we're gonna clean it with a wipe anyway. The only thing about this eyeshadow is it's hard to like pack on because I feel like the brush doesn't pick up anything. I mean, whatever, it's $3. $3 for like 9 eyeshadows for $3, guys. You can't beat that. And they're really pigmented. But let me show you. Like, it barely picks up anything. It has to be chunks. So you gotta be very careful. Make sure you don't do your eyeshadow after your foundation because it is gonna have fallout, let me tell you. That's okay if the concealer isn't all straight because we're gonna cover it with the eyeliner. Oh, this color's so beautiful, guys. I actually went back to the store. I got the palette hoping that I could find one without the green broken. And all of them had that same green broken. So I don't know what the formula was for it, but it didn't stay together, which is why it's probably at that discount store, I'm assuming. The other ones are fine, it's just that one. So far, I'm so proud of myself, guys. Y'all are learning with me. And honestly, if this was about to come out shitty as hell, I would have still posted this video. So y'all know that we all need practice. We're done with that eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna take a wipe and just clean out all the fallout and then clean up right here. So I'm just taking a Neutrogena wipe and I'm gonna clean right here. Now, this is gonna make the eyeliner easier too because you're gonna clean it right where you're gonna put the line so that you have a place to trace. You just gotta trace it on. You don't gotta think of where to put the eyeliner. You already have a guide. And you just want to clean until you get the right shape that you want. Like that. And again, if it's not straight, it's okay. You're gonna cover it with eyeliner. Guys, even like this, you could just leave it like that and that looks so good. $3, guys. This palette was $3. If you're from the Valley, I got it at Didi's discount. So go, girl, get your makeup there. Wow, $3. Now with the eyeliner, look at this blue. OMG. This was super affordable too. I got this at Walmart. I want to say it was like $5. I don't know. I'll take a screenshot and put the price somewhere right here so you guys can see. So this eyeshadow look anyone can do because it's super affordable. I bought 3 colors of these. You probably saw my haul already, so that's in there. Now guys, I am not good at eyeliner, so if I mess this up, y'all are gonna see with me, especially because I'm more of a felt tip eyeliner where this is like a brush. So let's take a moment and pray to the makeup gods. Please be with me, make good content for my YouTube channel. Okay, let's do it. So basically what I'm gonna do is trace the outside. Simple as that. It is super cheap, so it doesn't have the best brush, but I promise this will look better. If you mess up the eyeshadow, it's okay because we're gonna fix that. Also, this would be so much easier if you don't do it with the camera on your face. So if you see me struggling, that's why. Okay, now that the eyeliner is on, I'm just gonna go back into the eyeshadow. I'm gonna put it basically right here, anywhere I messed up. Since it's a shimmery eyeshadow, usually it covers it up. Also, guys, keep in mind, all these YouTubers, like, their makeup looks really bomb, but it's because they have really nice cameras and studio lights, and when you see them in person, it looks just like this, their eyeliner. So don't be discouraged, like, why is it not coming out the same way? Because you don't have the professional lighting. Now my favorite part, eyelashes. Okay, so for eyelashes, I'll be using these Russian Volume by Kiss/Couture. And these are a new pair, haven't used them, so let's size them up. Okay guys, so I did the other eye. The hardest part is getting it even. I'm gonna take my Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive in clear, and honestly, don't get this. I do not recommend it at all. First of all, it's not clear. It's white, and it doesn't dry clear. So I don't know why it says clear. This is not clear. If you're gonna use one, use the Duo. I just want to use this up. You know, I've actually met a YouTuber in person and her eyeliner looked so good in videos, but in person it was all chueco. Don't get discouraged, guys. If I had studio lights, you wouldn't be able to see my mistakes right now either. So I'm just gonna pop on the other eyelash, do my face, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna finish the eyes. Okay guys, so I just did my face. I just need highlighter and then lips, but let's finish the eyes first. I'm gonna take this NYX Professional Makeup Eyeliner. It has a long ass name, guys. If you remember my other video, I was like, what the fuck? It's the Slide On, Glide On, Stay On, Indefinitely Turn On, Waterproof Extreme Shine Eyeliner. Why? Why is such a long name? By the time I finish reading it, this video is gonna be 20 minutes long. I'm gonna tightline with this. Okay, so once you tightline, now we're gonna put blue eyeshadow on the bottom. I'm gonna take an eyeshadow from the ColourPop Blue Moon, and I'm gonna use the color Tide Pool. And yes, I'm gonna put a shimmery eye on my lower lash line. I know, what a rule breaker, huh? I'm gonna be applying it with this small detail brush from Morphe. It doesn't have a number, it came in a case. I think it was like the Rose Gold collection. So just any tiny brush. And I'm just gonna try to get it as close as I can. And this will help out blend the eyeliner too. If you've seen my other videos, you know I'm making a stupid face right now. And I'm just gonna do the same on the other eye. Now we're gonna go back to this palette and get that green. With the same brush, I'm just gonna take the green and put it in my inner corner. Now I'm gonna take the Wet n Wild Lash Accelerator Mascara with Grow Lash Complex. I don't know if it actually grows your lashes, but I'm gonna put that on my lower eyelashes. Okay, I'm just gonna put on some lipstick and then I'll show you the result. Okay guys, so here's the finished look. I love it. I'm honestly so proud of myself. And also, I think I'm kind of digging the dark hair. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. I will be doing easier eyeshadow looks because I know not all of us have the time or patience to be doing all this. But I really wanted to do something fun and I love how it came out. Oh. I'm actually going grocery shopping right now, so I'm gonna be looking like this at the store. You know those Mexican men are gonna be looking at me like, I don't have a wife no more. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe. I see you guys watching. Why are you not subscribing? Can you at least let me know what I'm doing wrong? And don't forget to share my video, and I want to thank everyone that's been sharing my video. I am at 125 subscribers. That is amazing. I can't wait to go up. Don't forget to leave a comment and let me know what video you want to see, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.